80-tooth titanium series table saw blade. I wonder how this thing cuts. I'm Ron Paul. This is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a set of plans to build a Smart Wood Shop for yourself or one of my workbenches, there is a link in the description of this video down below. Main power shut down, key is pulled. This thing cannot be turned on. This is, I think, the high ATB. These are some really steep angles. I mean, this is a really sharp point. I don't think we're gonna get much fuzz with this blade. High-pitched, almost bell sounding, and it carried on even after the blade stopped. No resistance at all. I didn't feel like, at least on this shortcut on this 18 mil AC plywood, that I would have to slow down. There's not even the slightest bit of fuzz or tear out on the top or the bottom. That's just about a glue joint right out of the table saw, if not absolutely a glue joint. On the top side, it's just a laser cut. On the bottom side, there is the slightest bit of fuzz. That's a glue joint cut right out of the table saw. I thought that high ATB was a cross-cut thing, but it's certainly no slouch on the rip. I'm highly impressed with that. SawStop brand, titanium series, 80-tooth, high ATB, 1/8" kerf, smooth cutting plywood and solid surfaces such as MDF and melamine. If I can come across a piece of that, I'm gonna try that out as well. You know, if you work with melamine, you know how that stuff chips really easy. End up trying, back cuts and taping it and all that stuff to keep a clean edge. Long life blade for professional and heavy duty use, so they're indicating it'll last. Precision balance, fully tensioned, heat treated. Extra large teeth made of the highest grade tungsten carbide can be resharpened multiple times. Laser cut expansion slots help prevent vibration, noise, and heat buildup. Maybe that's what's singing. From my past experience with other blades, I'm pretty confident this is a well-made blade. I am gonna use it for a couple of weeks, I think, on a couple of projects, just to run it through its paces. But then I'm gonna take it off and put it back in the box and cover the tip and save it for those special projects. This video today was totally spontaneous by me. SawStop didn't ask me to do it. They don't know that I'm doing it. They're not paying me to make this video. I just wanted to, take a look at a tool I had and see what I thought. I hesitate to call it a tool review. It's more of an unboxing and let's see how it works. But if you like this kind of video, then be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to join the Smart Wood Shop family, why don't you click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll know when I put up a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.